Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, 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 everybody. Welcome, Emperor. Welcome to you on this amazing Wednesday, Wednesday the 30th, right? Last year, interesting, it was a Tuesday the 30th. And maybe you can ask how you know that. Well, I was checking my memories on Facebook, and Facebook told me that there was another time that on I think 3 years ago it was a Friday the 13th because I have Jason celebrating. Anyway, it's really interesting. I'm checking my monitor because I remember I love to see your comments, and also I need to know that I am listening because here sometimes the guys of the studio forget about the audio of the microphone. Of yesterday, we realized that they didn't put the music at the beginning. So anyway, well, good morning, welcome, welcome, welcome to another amazing microcast. We are on the week of Instagram. All this week, I'm sharing all the info, all the solutions that you are struggling right with Instagram and Airbnb. But first of all, let's start how we should. Let me know where are you watching from. If you are up in the States, if you are maybe an expat in Mexico or an expat in another part of the country, maybe you are bilingual, correct, and you are in Mexico and Colombia, wherever you are, let me know where you are down below in the white box in the comments. Also, if you're watching this live, type the word live in the white box. Boop, boop, right there. If you're watching the replay, it doesn't matter. We send you a virtual hug to all the replay viewers, especially those ones who really leave the comments on the replay, because Facebook tells me that a lot of people watch the videos but no comments. I'm like, what's going on with that? Bueno, what do I have for all of you today? Officially, let me know and type the word relate if you have felt frustrated or confused on how is that people right uses this app thing called Instagram to generate more guests, more good reviews on their Airbnb listing. You are just confused, stressed, and definitely this is not good because you don't know how to use this platform. You're not making money. And what it means, not making money? Well, not making money means that the upcoming holidays, you're going to be cracking your fingers, and nobody likes to be cracking your fingers, correct? So will that be beneficial for you to know about this? Let me know down below in the white box. Also, tab number one, if this is the first time that you're seeing one of my microcasts, you have seen me before, tap the number two. In case this is the first time that you're seeing one of my microcasts, well, let me introduce myself. My name is Sergio Mohar. I'm your super host leader at the Imperiobnb community and the real estate savvy investors. Also, I'm the creator and founder of a private coaching community called Imperiobnb 2.0, which is a private coaching community here on Facebook that has small courses like the week of the insurance, the week of the taxes, how to train your dragon, no, how to have an amazing occupancy rate from 90 to 100% all the time. Okay, and the favorite, it is our how to generate guests from Facebook without the need of paying ads. And by the way, start next Monday, right? Next Monday, we're going to have a workshop about Instagram and Airbnb. So you're more than welcome to join. Okay, so going back where I was, the upcoming holidays are coming. As you see, we have our tree set up. Everything is good to go, right? But what happens, and trust me, I was checking also my memories, and I was checking what I'm going to say in 2000, what it was, 2011. 2011, you're not going to believe it. It was the very, very, very first time that I was homeless, correct? The very first time that I was homeless, it was what the weekend of Thanksgiving. So, okay, maybe around these days. But the point is that I was homeless. You don't have money, you are struggling, right? And you just keep seeing how all these people are making cash thanks to social media. And especially remember the story that I told you about on Monday about this guy who's documenting his journey on Instagram, and thanks to that, he's getting more reservations through Instagram to his Airbnb than the other one. So the point in here is Let me know if you have felt like that you are just confused. I have a bunch of friends, correct? Actually, yesterday, one of my clients, he was happy when he found out about this workshop that we're gonna do about Instagram, because he's like, dude, I really like Instagram, but I really don't know how to use it properly so I can generate more an audience, and then from there I can have more guests on my Airbnb. Yeah, well, join the workshop. So that's exactly what I want to share with you today. I'm gonna give you a few tips on how you can solve all this situation of being confused, frustrated. Well, here we go. Ready, Rudy? Okay. So first of all, remember by now, I assume that you have already your Instagram account, especially dedicated to your listing, correct? Especially, you need to think about this. If you're gonna have several listings, okay, you need to think about a good name tag, okay? That's gonna be your handle. So have a really great handle. We're gonna talk about this on our workshop. For those who sign up already, don't worry, we're gonna be talking about inside of the private coaching community about this, so no worries. But the point in here is get your handle properly to your name. Okay, so in that way, ahora sí, let's go with our point number one. Add a link into your bio. Okay, this is super important that add a link into your bio so the people who visit your Instagram know where are you sending them? Are you sending them to your website? Are you sending them to your, I don't know, your office? Where are you sending them? Correct? And let's go with our point number two. Don't be shy and give free, how you say that in English? Free string, rienda suelta, correcto? Okay, be free with your creativity. There's no laws, there's no things of, you just be free with your creativity, be curious on how to do certain things, correct? And just start taking pictures that you're gonna be sharing on Instagram. Remember that Instagram is a platform based just on pictures, and that's it. So let's go with our point number three. Try videos. Not Instagram is just about pictures, but try videos. Remember that one of the mistakes that I talked about yesterday is not leveraging the power of social media and pictures. So if you're confused and you're frustrated, these are the solutions that start giving you a kind of glimpse on how you must do Instagram to promote your Airbnb. Okay, easy and simple. Now we're gonna add the point number four. Create a highlight. Okay, create a highlight. What is a highlight? I'm gonna show it to you right now here on video. And on these highlights, as the name says, share the highlights of your property. Okay, if you go to my personal, okay, the ways to wait, but okay, these points you press and it's like story and there's stuff going on here, right? So that's the kind of stuff that those are the highlights. So use highlights to promote, once again, the highlights of your house. 1, 2, 3, 5. Take care of your followers, okay? Take care of your followers, because followers are not just like someone who gives you a like and is following you. No, start creating relationships with those followers, and magical things will happen. ¿Cuánto tiempo I have? Uy, I almost run. Point number 6. Add and tag places. Super important like that. Wherever you go, include tags and checking in places on Instagram. Also, point number 7. Super important. Share with Airbnb. You can tag Airbnb and use their hashtag Airbnb, hashtag experience. It depends what are you sharing with the world. Okay. And that's it. If you are lack of inspiration, correct, and you are like, okay, no, I really don't know how to do this. Remember that starting next Monday, We're gonna have a workshop. I must say this workshop is in Spanish. Well, and in English, we haven't thought anything in English, but well, it's in Spanish, and it's gonna be a whole workshop, just like the one that we have about Facebook to generate guests. Now it's gonna be about how to use Instagram to generate guests. If you are interested about the that workshop, just let me know. Type the word workshop down below in the white box, and I will send you the details. In the meantime, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is still Thursday. Tomorrow, 8 in the morning, with another content. I hope that you, with this, solve a lot of questions and doubts. No more stress, no more doubtful, no more like what do I do? I see you tomorrow, 8 in the morning, and esta tarde en español, this afternoon in Spanish. Vámonos, DJ.